Make a bigger triangle by trying to add more onto it, but first you would take the bigger triangle and put the smaller triangles onto it to see how many small triangles make a big triangle.
Oh, interesting.
So those go there. See?
Wow. So how many of the smaller triangles made the bigger? 4 of them. Wow, that was cool. How did you think of that? What made you think of doing that?
Like, I would say that they are all different sizes, but only thing you have to do is just make more onto it.
Very cool.
So, like for the tiny ones, you can make, if you had a whole bunch of these, you could probably make these small ones into a big one too.
I might do that. See if I have any more little ones and see if you can do that. Whew, these little ones are little.
Yeah. Let's see.
I think I might have enough. I don't know if I have enough. How many do you think it would take of those little ones to make the bigger one?
It'll probably make like 12 to 14.
And then where did you come up with those numbers?
Because if you think of the small numbers, like it couldn't take 4 of these itty bitty ones to just make that big one because they're much smaller. So I was thinking probably like more than 4, 5, or 6. So it could be 9, 10, or any of the above. But I wouldn't say 50 or anything.
I see, something between those two, huh? Well, I don't have any more, but I wonder if we could figure out exactly how many of those would fit if we had enough.
So you would just put these up there, like this. So this corner,
beautiful. Yeah, you're doing a great job.
This corner right here is 4.
Okay.
So all the corners are the same. So you say all of the quarters are 4, and they will probably come and connect. So that'll probably give you an answer.
So you're saying it would be 4 and 4 and 4. Do you know what that is?
It's 12.
12, okay. Now look at this one and tell me, how many of those triangles did it take to make that?
Of these triangles to make that, it was.
Or how many of these triangles to make that? Just like here.
Oh, it would just be the same 4.
Okay, to 4.
Because they're the same, but it's just because it's a different color doesn't mean it's not the same.
Okay. So color doesn't matter to you?
Yeah.
Okay, so 4 of those make those.
Yes.
And how many of these little guys make?
12.
Okay, and their argument was because there are 4 in that corner.
Yeah, and then
and 4 would be over in that corner, right?
One.
And 4 in that corner. Would that fill it all the way up?
It might. You just have to worry about the middle part, if it'll connect or if it won't.
That's what you got to worry about. So look back over there and tell me, worry about it.
So
how does this one help you think about that question?
Well, you could take some of these small ones and try to connect it with this one and see how many will make this, and then you can put this one back on there and then add them up.
Let's try that and see if that helps us. I wish they were a little stiffer because they're kind of. You have very good hand coordination. I'd be knocking them all over.
So that's 4 right there.
Okay, good.
So 4 on this small one, basically. So 4 on 4 will be 4 times 4 is 16. So that's a different answer than I had. Okay. So it's probably just because of the middle part that adds more into it.
So which answer do you think's right now? 12 or what was your other answer?
16.
Yeah, okay, which one do you think?
I think it's 16 because since 4 of these go on this, then Right now it kind of looks like this one's bigger than that one, but
Well, they're supposed to be the same size. It's
Yeah.
maybe they look pretty
Yeah.
close. Yeah.
yeah, they're pretty close.
Okay.
So
So 4 of the little ones make one of those, and 4 of those make those. So there's 16 in those.
yes.
Okay. So can you make an even bigger one?
Okay. So there.
So you found a way to make a bigger diamond.
Yeah.
So that's very nice. You have a small diamond. How many of those small diamonds are in that big diamond?
It's just one small diamond right here
Mhm.
because if those two were together, it'd be 2 small diamonds. But it's not really a way that you can put
Oh, I see.
2 small diamonds up there.
So the big figure is made up of
4 of
the
these.
big triangle is, but how many diamonds is the big diamond made up of?
It's just made up one,
Mm-hmm.
and then
Those
like
2.
it's really made up of 2, but you just have one diamond and you cut it in half, and it's 2 triangles that you put on the side.
I see. I see. So supposing you put these triangles on the other half,
Okay.
and see if you can figure out how many diamonds are in the big diamond.
It's not really perfect.
That's pretty perfect. How many how many diamonds can you see now?
On this one, I see that it's one right here, and it's also one right there.
Yeah, right.
So
Interesting.
there's one right there, and there's one right there. So it's really 2, but I can't really see it.
What about if that's diamond, right?
Yes, that's a diamond, and that's
That's a diamond, right?
So that's
2.
those 2. And then when you look at this one and this one, like kind of sideways, that's a diamond.
How about if you look at this one and this one?
This one, that's also a diamond.
And how about if you look at this
Those
one?
2 are diamonds.
So how many diamonds are in the
So
big one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Well, you can see lots of diamonds in there, can't you?
Yeah.
Lots of
So
diamonds.
it's-
Suppose how many non-overlapping diamonds are in the big one? If you don't count anybody twice.
If you don't count anyone twice, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4 of them.
4. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. That was terrific. Do you have any things that you're still thinking about with this stuff?
Not really.
Not really. Was it fun?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. You did wonderfully.
Thank you.
You're very, very good at explaining how you think about things.